Okay, question 5. Find the range of values of m for which the curve mx plus 1 x minus 3 equal x minus 4 minus 2 has no real roots. So this equation has no real roots. So first of all, we simplify the given quadratic equation. We have to make this into the general form. That means the right hand side must be 0. So let's expand this. X squared minus 3x plus x minus 3 equal x minus 4m minus 2. So mx squared minus 2x minus 3, bring the x minus 4m minus 2 over to the left hand side. I will get this, right? So that means mx squared minus 2mx minus 3m minus x plus 4m plus 2 equals 0. So simplifying again, I m squared, bringing all the m's together, I will have minus 2mx minus x. Bring the constants together, I will have minus 3m plus 4m m plus 2 equals to 0. Then mx squared, factorizing out the x, okay, put it outside behind here. I will have this is my quadratic equation in the general form. So since the equation has no real roots, our discriminant must be less than 0. Right? So therefore, b squared minus 4ac less than 0. Your a is m, c is m plus 2, b is negative 2m plus 1. Right, so a point to note, if negative 2m plus 1 bracket square is the same as positive 2m plus 1, because negative times negative gives you positive, so I will try and simplify this manner first. And this gives me 4m squared minus 8m less than 0. Right, expanding this, I will have 4m squared plus 4m plus 2 minus 4m squared minus 8m less than 0. So 4m squared minus 4m squared, that gives me 0. And this is minus 8m plus 4m. Okay, or 4m minus 8m plus 2 less than 0. Negative 4m less than negative 2. Bringing it over. So I have 4m should be bigger than 2, which means m is bigger than half.